What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fly jets in Battlefield 6 PC. First of all, go to community, then select search experiences. Now from here search heli, then filter it by most liked, then select any of the server from here, select host, scroll down and select host locally, and then only you will be available inside this experience so that only you can practice without anyone disturbing you. Now let's start with basic controls. First of all, to enter your jet, go toward any of the jet, then hit E on your keyboard to enter the jet like so. Now before we start flying, firstly I wanna tell you one setting. Pause your game, go into settings, then head over to the gameplay tab, select vertical look settings. Now mine setting has been set to off, but if your setting is on, then your controllers will be inverted. So that's why I recommend you to switch your settings to off as well, so that you can follow along on this video. Now if you are starting on your runway, hold down W on your keyboard to start moving forward, and if you wanna take a right turn, hold down D key on your keyboard, then your jet will start taking a right turn. If you wanna go left, then hold down A key on your keyboard. Now to go upward, then we just have to hold down W, and if you wanna get afterburner, then hold down shift and then your jet will start going upward. You need to use your mouse to pitch up or down, and if you wanna roll, then we just have to flick our mouse left or right like this, and then our jet will roll so that you can dodge the bullets of your enemies. Now I wanna go to the left. For that I need to hold down A key on my keyboard, then I'll take a left turn. If you wanna get right turn, then hold down D key on your keyboard. The pitch and the rolling can be done using your mouse. So I wanna go upward. For that I need to flick my mouse upward like this, then my jet will go upward. If you wanna go downward, then flick your mouse down like this, and then your jet will go downward. Now I wanna take a left turn. For that I'll keep holding A key. If you don't hold the W key while you're taking turn, then it will take a sharp turn, but if you keep holding W while taking a turn, then it will not take a sharp turn. If you wanna fire with your jet, then keep spamming the fire button, which is the left click on your mouse, and then it will fire the weapon. If you wanna change your weapon, then scroll down on your mouse and the missile will be changed, and you can aim with your missile and fire as many guns as you want. If you wanna change the camera on your jet, then press C key on your keyboard, then the camera angle will be changed and you can start firing with that camera as well. If you wanna get a free look, then press V on your keyboard and the free look will be changed. So let's say I wanna get afterburner so that I'll get some push. For that I need to hold down shift on my keyboard and then I'll get afterburner, but you need to hold down W as well. And now if you wanna get some other missiles, then press 3 key on your keyboard and then it will fire like this. To land safely, slow down by holding S and line yourself up with a runway or open flat area. Lower your speed, gently pull the nose up a little and glide down slowly. Touch down at a low speed, then reduce throttle fully or use your brakes if the jets allows it. It's a good idea to practice in a low action match or quiet server. Spend a few minutes taking off, flying straight, making gentle turns and landing. Once you are comfortable, start practicing shooting at stationary vehicles and then move on to dogfighting. That's all you need to get started. With a little practice, flying jets becomes much easier and much more fun. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.